just came across this interesting question on a private group about a water pump. So it seems like a regular question, but there was a really interesting answer on here. So let's just look into that. Okay, here we go. This chap here, but basically he's saying that the regular 996 Carrera pump is exactly the same apart from the drive pulley. Let's click this link, have a look at this image, and we can see that internally it appears to look the same. Externally, the pulley's different. Okay, so if we get with the image, we'll just look at some more of the detail here in this post. So remove the pulley via press. Okay, and then this chap was rather nice and actually did do the removal of the pulley. Let's just make this a little bit smaller so we can see it, see the whole video. Here we go. So he just tried it and it's not a big deal. Let's have a look. Just pressed it. There we go. It just looks like it's just push it through and down. And there you go. Job's a good one. Okay. The base pump is the same. The internal vanes the same. Questions. Okay. And this chap here, he says that the vanes are exactly the same, and the rotor is obviously different size, and because the turbo has an overdrive pulley, the smaller pulley, it moves it faster. Much the same principle as supercharger. You put it on a smaller supercharger, you get more boost. Smaller pulley on a water pump, you get more water. Same thing. So really quite an interesting piece there. So I thought I'd just save that for my own notes, but if anybody else found it useful, you've got that as well. And thank you very much to Ile, I think that's how you say your name, for posting the answer to this as well. So that was really, really useful. You're obviously very helping out this individual and also the community. Well done. Thank you.